A manufacturer knows that their items have a normally distributed lifespan with a mean of 11.2 years and a standard deviation of 2.4 years. You're probably noticing that I'm always writing that information down as soon as I read it. It says the 7% of items with the shortest lifespan. So in this case, we're now down here in this lower tail where the proportion below it is 7% or 0.07. And we want to find this raw score X. So what we have to do is, again, our inverse norm command. Inverse norm always requires that you give area below, otherwise known as proportion below. That's what we have here. So it would be the 0.07, and then our mean of 11.2, and our standard deviation of 2.4. And rounded to 1 decimal place in this case, that would be equivalent to 7.7 years.